Hello and welcome to our technical analysis session, the Daily Nifty Insights with MJ. Let's study, explore, and understand the current stock market with the help of performance of Nifty. Today is 27th May 2020, and we will be estimating the probable moves, resistance and support levels, and the new emerging trend in Nifty for the next trading day on 28th May. Today is a very special, tomorrow is going to be a very special day as we will be witnessing weekly expiry of indices, options, and also monthly expiry of stocks, future and options. Today, the market opened with a negative bias and volatility in the morning, but soon after it took a positive support, a positive bias from global markets, and also the hope of opening up of the economic activities. As the market started to pick up, the short covering took the index to the way high. The market breadth remained positive with the 41 stocks advancing and 9 stocks declining from the stack of Nifty 50. We had expected the market to remain in a range bound in a consolidation mode in the range of 8,900 to 9,250 based upon the data and trading pressure of participants available from the previous day. However, the Nifty broke the consolidation zone. And yes, it broke the consolidation zone today with the help of short covering and some global cues. Now you can see the daily Nifty chart on my screen. The Nifty opened up at 9082 today, and it made soon after day's low at 9004 before rising up. And it continuously rose up. If you look in a smaller time frame of 15 minutes, you could see that the rise was very steep, and it closed at 9,314.95. You can say 9,315 with a gain of 286 points. Let's see what kind of scenario is coming up in the chart. You can see that the prices of Nifty were moving in a descending channel. Today, it made a large bullish candle. And this bullish candle has made higher highs and higher lows as well. And the trading zone, which has been there for more than a week, that was of 9,213 on the upper side, that has been broken today. And it has also gone out of this descending channel, right? Thus changing the trend today, right? We'll have to reconfirm whether tomorrow also it changes the, it remains outside the descending channel or it comes inside the descending channel. If it goes on the upper side and remains out of the descending channel, we can say that yes, the uptrend has started. Now let's look at what are the kind of support and resistance levels emerging from price action. So if the price starts going downside, it will have a first support level at 9283 level, and the second level of support is available at 9210, and the third level 9132, and the fourth level it has got at 9082, and the fifth level of support is today's low, that is at 9004. And in a day, Nifty doesn't move so much in a day, so expecting it going to 9004 may not be that simplistic. On the upper side, if Nifty starts going up with the help of short covering tomorrow, the first level of resistance would be today's high point, that's 9334, and the second level of resistance it will get at 9390, that's also a Fibonacci number, 38%, and third level of resistance it has got at 9457, and the fourth level of resistance is at 9521, that's on the upper side, right? But we should also not forget that Nifty has been consistently taking support for last 7 trading sessions on the uptrend, that is in the ascending channel on the lower trend line of the ascending channel. So that's one good and positive aspect for Nifty for up move, right? So so from the price action perspective, we can look at 9,082 to 9,457 as a trading range for tomorrow. Well, let's go to the option chain data and see what kind of build-up has come up there, and which option chain data we are referring to. We are referring to option chain which is expiring on 28th May. Today is 27. So close to the ATM. On OTM side, on a put, you can see that at 9,300 itself, there is a huge build-up of fresh calls. That's almost 11,69,000 contracts. So making overall contracts, mostly it is a fresh contracts today. Overall contracts are 15,70,000. That's huge built up here. So 9,300 would be the first level of support, and next level of support again is a huge support level, because here 14 lakh new contracts have been created today, and the total is almost 19,81,000. So that is going to serve as a support level 2, and the support level 3 is at 9,100, where you can see 12.8 lakh new contracts have come. That's massive, right? So you can see a huge build-up has been created today itself. At 9,000 also, 12 lakh new contracts, and overall build-up is huge. So it is literally not possible to break tomorrow that 9,000 level, and that was also visible from our price action, right? So this will be working as your support level 4. So we can say that safely this could be the downside trading range for Nifty. On the upside and on a call side, if you see unwinding of on the put side, unwinding of puts have happened from 8,500 to 8,750 level, which is anyway now quite deep OTM, so it is not much relevant. But on call side, if you look at 9,200, we still have almost 9,72,000 contracts, so not a very strong level of resistance, as we can see that 19 lakh contract or 19.85 lakh contracts have been unwound at this place. So this is a weak level of resistance, but anyway, it is a resistance level. At the next level also, you can see 4.5 lakh contracts have been closed today, but still there is a huge buildup of contracts here at 9,300. So we can consider this as a R1, and the second level of resistance is at 9,400. But unfortunately, even at this level also 1 lakh contracts have been closed, right? However, the overall contract number of contracts is 16 lakhs, so we can say that's R2, and your R3 is emerging at 9,500, and there is not much of new contracts, right? There's only 80,000, but overall contract size or open interest size is 27,90,000. If you look at this with in comparison with 9,000 has almost double, less than double, but then a huge contract base. So we can say that if on the upside, short covering pulls Nifty upside, so it will be 9,500. So this could be the trading range for tomorrow's trading. On the upper side, if we go further, 9,600 also, we see that there is a good amount of open interest there, although the new open interest. So in total, if you see the change in open interest on call side is just unwinding and unwinding, right? And even at upper level also there is unwinding. Of course, at upper level, the reason for unwinding would be different, because there is hardly anything left out in the premium side, right? So then the seller would be using this margin to sell at different levels, maybe for next week option chain or next month option chain. So we get a estimation of trading range from here. Also, if we see, it's a good range, and On the lower side, let's say 8,800, we still have 20 lakh contracts. At 8,900, we still have 19 lakh contracts, and fresh contract writing has also happened. On the upper side, you can see 9,600 on this. So from 8,800, if the calls and puts are still existing, it still gives you a range, huge range in which you can see the strikes are very active. That still says that the volatility may be high tomorrow on account of expiry of FNO, right? So that gives you a sense of how option chain data is giving you indications on. Let's say we go to the data on client-wise or the participant-wise. So we see that the retail clients are still mildly bullish here with a pressure of 1.2, while as FIIs are still sideways. They have a 0.99 trading pressure, while as pros today are having a mild bullish pressure with 1.17. So overall, it's a mild bullish pressure that may take you to 9,500 tomorrow. On the PCR side, if you see this series expiring tomorrow has a PCR of 1.55. Next series PCR is 1.11, while as June end PCR is 1.34. That talks about a little bullishness in Nifty. While as until yesterday, you see the Bank Nifty PCR was around 0.55 or 0.59 or 0.6. Today it has become 1.33 for the next series, 1.21, and next series 1.20. So that also reflects a little bullishness on Bank Nifty from the put call ratio perspective. Now, for the details, for your further studies, you can see your support and resistance levels based upon the pivot points. From this perspective, we have already calculated these things well in advance. So if we look at the overall data and the structure of Nifty, we can say that Nifty is going to consolidate in the range of 9,000 to 9,500 on 28th May with a little bullish bias and volatility. Stochastics is at 71 now. That's closer to overbought, but there is still scope for it to reach up to 80, 85 to be in precisely in the oversold zone. Thank you very much for watching the video. To get more details on technical analysis, you can also read our daily report on Facebook page. To get latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is by name Praj Academy. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on our latest videos. To learn about the stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex, trading, investing, you can request for videos on subject of your choice in the comment box. We would try to make the videos on your preferred subjects. Thank you for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and family members who can also be benefited from quality knowledge. Thank you. Happy trading. Happy investing.